Alright guys, it's Sadie, and what we have here is one of those flash units. So, God, I'm not in focus, sorry. Okay, so here's one of those flash units, and I am powering it. It does take a AA, but we've got that on there, 2 volts. So I wanted to see how this would. I wanted to see like how fast the transformer is working, or the transistor. So if you go like this, you can see it charging up 73 volts, 100. It's kind of going slow. I think we need a little more current, but you press this. So this is the guts of one of those little cameras that take a AA battery, and it's charging kind of slow. I mean, don't you guys remember those cameras? Didn't they charge a little faster? So then if we do this, it's charged up, and we get a flash, and we're down to 44 volts. So some of these you can hear. You can hear the whine of them on some of these. You can hear the whine on it as it, approaches like 8 kilohertz or 9 kilohertz. So we're up to a nice amount there for a flash. Don't know why it's not charging faster. So here we'll do flash. Okay, so it does work off a AA battery. You can, sorry, I have the tablet in here. So you can see that it works off a AA battery, but we have this guy over here. So what would you guys think? Let's try to do this. I'm sorry, it's the tablet, and I don't have anyone ever helping me with these videos. Okay, so let's try to... Okay, did we get it in there? I'm balancing it off a transformer. Okay, so let's see here. So let's see. Am I even in? I'm so terrible at these. I apologize over and over and over again. I don't have a good setup. And for the person's concerned about my laundry, I did do my laundry over there, you guys. But let's just check this out. So we want to put this one on the ground, which I guess that's the ground. I mean, that's one of the grounds. So the back of the AA battery goes in there, and then there's a circular kind of thing for it to... It's obvious that the positive one goes up there. And I mean, it's working. It's working. I have it hooked up that way. It's not that hard to figure these out, these little things. Okay, so I do have this on the 10X. I don't think that's necessary. But you can see that this is such a simple circuit. So let's get it closer. Sorry the light's not better. But all it has is over here is, let me see, am I even close to it? Oh, the light is terrible. God damn it. Well, the light's not good. I don't know. Okay. So, we just have these little transformers, these little step-up transformers. Is that warm? No, not really. I have my IR thing. I could get that out and see if there's any hot spots on here. But you would expect a hot spot on the transistor and then on some of the windings there. But look, you guys, all this has in it... Okay, here, I know what I can do. I could just take it back off. And yeah, let's see here. Okay, so yeah, you can see all that is in here is here's all the high voltage stuff. This is really simple. This is one of the simplest ones. So you can see over here, there's just one of those little caps back there. There's the trigger for the strobe, a resistor, and then there's the little neon thing, and then there's a diode back there, and then of course this guy. So that's all back there. But all this really is look how simple that is. I mean, it's just like it's just a resistor, a transistor, and that transformer. That's crazy. And see, there's nothing really. This is one of the old school ones. There's nothing on the back, like a bunch of surface mounts. So I got a bunch of these from Electronic Goldmine, which they call themselves Cheney too. But I love this because it was cheap, and you got a high voltage thing here. You got a strobe thing there. So if you were to change this out, to a smaller cap and not an electrolytic one, because you know that like the film capacitors charge up and discharge faster than the electrolytic ones do. Like those film ones, if you get one of those film ones, because if you were to make this into a strobe, you wouldn't really want to use the electrolytic, even though I've seen strobes that use electrolytics. You could really get this to work good by putting more voltage into it and then changing this out to one of those big film capacitors, and then having some kind of little timing circuit on it. So you could do a lot with it, but I get it because I like these capacitors. And of course I ordered like 20 of them, of these things. They were on sale. I wait till they're on sale. Okay, so we're 7 minutes into the video, so thanks for hanging in there. And the whole point is I wanted to see if I could get to find out, are we going to make this work again? Oh my God, you guys. Okay, this is terrible. Okay, so all I really want to do is I have to take my glasses off and get a little closer there. Is we just need to hook onto one of those. So these go, what does it go? Emitter base collector. I mean, it's not always the same. It's not always the same, you know that, but I think it usually goes like emitter base collector, and I'm guessing that's an NPN. I'm just guessing it's an NPN. Actually, we could, if we could get a little in there, we could look at what it is. Okay, it's a D3787F. So it's a 3787. It's a 3787. So you could look that up. But you know, there's a lot of possibilities you could do with this. That little circuit is amazing, and I'm sure it's not tweaked as much as it could be, because you know, you can tell with the lack of components that they just made it to work with the minimum of components. But you could probably tweak that a lot and do a lot of things with it. You know, make a Marx generator or a mini Marx generator, or make a little Tesla coil or something, or make some kind of driver for some stun gun thing. Am I still in the camera? Okay, this is dragging on long. You guys are going to fade out here at 10 minutes. Okay, so damn it. Let me just see if I can get on one of these leads. you know, it might, all I might need to do is just get on one of those leads. I don't want to short it out. Okay, let's try it. Let's see if we can see it. Let's see if we can do it. Okay. It could be better. It's better if it's like this. Let's see if we can get... It's charging. It's not charging up. I'm shorting it out. I think... Am I shorting it out? Okay, so all I need to really do is find out... See, that transistor also goes up here. See, you don't have to get it right on the transistor. See, I just made a mistake and we just witnessed it. You don't have to get it right on the transistor. Just follow some of that other... Oh, crap. Okay, I had it grounded on there. And then as you followed the ground plane, it went to where I was connecting it to. So I need to get to one of the other leads. So this goes to this. Okay, so cool. Check this out. So, oh crap. Oh no. We just had Sparky. This is a fail, you guys. This is a fail. Damn it. Okay, hang in there for another minute. I want to get... Okay, so this... Yeah, so let's think through this. I connected it to the ground, but then, of course, one side of that transistor was grounded and I didn't follow it out. So, we are looking, if you go follow that around, it goes to this one. It goes to this, oh, I can't get it. Oh, wait, maybe there. It goes to the little tab that activates it. So, let's see if we can get it to go. If I get shocked here, it won't be a big deal. Okay, so what's going on here with our oscilloscope? Oh, okay, we're getting some readings, but I'm not satisfied with it. I'm not satisfied with it because it's not charging. Why is it not charging? There's there, that there. This is not the best setup. It would be better if I just kind of soldered wires onto well, you know what? I can just do this. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay, yeah. All right, can you even... Oh, see, you guys can't even see that. Damn it. Sorry, this video sucks. I just don't understand why. Okay, I got the tablet. I'm trying to... It just sucks. I want to make videos. I want to make videos about this stuff. I have so many things. I just... It's very frustrating. It's very frustrating. And, you know, I should be looking for a job. But I like this stuff. I could just play around with this stuff all the time. Okay, so... I wonder why it's bouncing around like that. And it's not charging. So, what did I do? Oh! The wire came off. Okay, so we had no power there. So, yeah, this is just terrible. But this is how you troubleshoot. Of course, why wasn't it charging when it was charging before? Okay, now I think we're going to get it to work. Okay, so I've got the power on there. Oh, yeah. Okay, can you see that? Is it working? Whoa, that's awesome. Okay, it's up to 8 kilohertz, 9 kilohertz, 10 kilohertz, 11 kilohertz, 12. As we're up to 200 volts, we're up to 14 kilohertz, 15 kilohertz, up to 250 volts, 16.6 kilohertz, and we're up to 285 volts. So as we max out, it's maxing out at 17.4 kilohertz. 17.6, 17.7. It looks like it probably maxes out. Oh, shoot. We're up to 320 volts. So got 320 volts on there, and it went up to 18 kilohertz. That's pretty cool. So let's do flash. Okay. So if you guys do see one of these, and I told you what the transistor was, as we go up to 320 volts, which this is rated at 330, we went all the way up. It started about 9 kilohertz and went pretty uniform up to 18 kilohertz. So it's a nice little circuit, but you could, of course, tweak it. I wonder if we could double the frequency. I wonder what it would be like if we doubled that frequency. You could put 2 of them in there and double the frequency, and then you could get a nice 700 or 800 volt supply. Okay, so wow, that was pretty cool. Okay, we eventually got there, but you guys had to waste 16 minutes of your life. No, I'm just kidding. No, that was interesting because we do know that what that transistor was, and I'll try to look it up and put it in the details. But yeah, thanks for hanging in there, and this was really interesting, but it could have been done a lot faster, but you saw me make some mistakes, so just basically because of the setup, but also when you are on that transistor, you just kind of have to hook it up to anywhere on there, and it'll still pick up. Well, not anywhere on there, but you know what I'm saying. Okay, it's been too long. Thanks for watching.